I'm going to show you what a typical Born Soul production sounds like. I'm going to play a couple of songs, just to let you know. Here you go. I'm going to start now.
Listen up, boy, have you seen her? Why, oh, why must I drink cappuccino? Think though, flip my money like Vegas Casino. Move it on your left, right, Don't amputate them, motivate them, then you're like, Did you see that cat? I wonder where his head's at. The format, stay black, copy it like ASCAP. By looking at my shadow, it's about that time. Time to innovate, motivate, without the perpetrate. Hot flashes, gotta move it in by the masses. Gotta bobbing their head, curing whiplash and shaking ass. Put you in the mood, cause you don't know what's rearrange and change. But hold up, time to change it up, so you might stabilize and maintain. Listen to this groove, put you in the mood, cause you don't know what's rearrange and change. But hold up, time to change it up, so you might stabilize and maintain. Oh, sucky now, looking at that brother riding on them hoes, hollering at them pantyhose. Make it simple, on and popping like pimple. Swing, batter, swing. You know your breath be funky and tart like them onion rings. You know at church I love to hear that little girl sing. Don't like no dirty hands, that's why I keep this squeaky clean. Do anything by any means to keep my dignity. My faculty be on point like east. That's why we continue to rise like east. Baby, burn that flower when you make that gravy. You shade it like that oak tree in the summer. Wonder what it would be like if you would find a spiritual heart with that spiritual mind intertwined. Be on that same page, same vision. But sometimes I make them dumb decisions. Collision with temptation and motivation that brings on that feeling. You know, that tingling sensation. I'm chasing a dream, or maybe it's just a path. If I didn't follow, I would feel God's wrath. Because it is a blessing, it ain't no second guessing. Don't carry around no weapon, my mind, my spitting weapons. Put you in the mood, cause you know your mind's rearrange and change. But hold up, time to change it up, so you can stabilize and maintain. Listen to this groove, put you in the mood, cause you know your mind's rearrange and change. But hold up, time to change it up, so you can stabilize and maintain. Listen to this groove, put you in the mood, cause you know your mind's rearrange and change. But hold up, time to change it up, so you can stabilize and maintain. Listen to this groove, put you in the mood, cause you know your mind's rearrange and change. But hold up, time to change it up, so you can stabilize and maintain. I be coming in from the south where the players play, where the layers lay. I will let you stay, but you got to come and wipe your feet on the rug as you come inside. Let me take you for a ride through this southern vibe as I flow like Philadelphia cream cheese on bread. Instead of pork, I will eat fish and fries instead. Head of the classes, major lyrical masses, asses wiggle and jiggle as I start to giggle and fiddle with my fingers. The phone starts to ring. Where's the party? Where's the party at? Down the block as I rock like Planet Diggable, southern hospitable, lyrical wizard. A blizzard gets in like a gizzard, laid back. Got you open like a history book. Southern fried flavor got you hooked. Come on, got you got.
Southern fried flavor for you. Yeah. You got to represent your crew. Got to represent your crew. Southern fried flavor for you. You fools can't fade my crew. Yeah.
Come and enter my mental, straight monumental. Be gentle as I get physical, like Miracle Whip. Smooth like a pip as I dip in this. As my mind flips like an acrobatic donkey. Honky dory, I like the movies when they're gory. Taking slashes like Denzel did in Glory. I'm tired of hearing about the same old story. I'm coming back through the realm of destruction. Conjunction junction, I got many working functions on this massive hit. The Born Soul click, make you bounce a bit, cause this is how we do. Every hour on the hour, compact with soul power. Make you do the Smurf and the Eddie Bauer while you shout.
Southern fried flavor for you. Southern flavor. You got to represent your crew. Gotta represent. Southern fried flavor for you. You fools can't fade my crew. Can't fade it. Southern fried flavor for you. Gotta represent your crew. I know you feel it. Southern fried flavor for you. You fools can't fade my crew. Yeah. Can't touch my flavor. Can't touch what's real. You gotta represent your crew. No. Southern fried flavor for you. Southern fried flavor for you. You fools can't fade my crew.
Okay, so there you have me playing some Born Soul Productions songs. What I'm going to tell you is how they sound like. Born Soul Productions sound like, think about drums and bass, heavy bass guitars, and old classic soul samples. That's what it sounds like. You see, we have samples like Searchin' by Roy Ayers, and let's see what else. Maybe there's samples are inside, aha, the cassette. Here we go. And that's what the groove sampled is, the Tribe Vibe Breakbeats. I think it's by a trust called... I think this song is sampled by a tribe called Quest, which samples a Tribe Vibe Breakbeats by a tribe called Quest. So there you have it. Thanks for watching this video.